Is it working?
Yes.
Okay, so we have this really smart idea to eat these little cherries, right?
Habaneros.
Habaneros. That's what it is.
Mm.
I would call it a challenge, but we don't have friends to challenge us. We're to challenge you.
I challenge you.
Okay.
Challenge accepted.
Okay, we're gonna. Stop snapping at me, Baxter. Go away. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Oh God. That's harder than I thought. Oh my God. I was so.
Drink. Hold it in your mouth.
Oh my God! That doesn't even have a flavor.
Can I have a drink? Can you give me a
I don't know if it's tomato juice or blood.
Take a drink.
Baxter, come lick my tongue.
Just hold it in your mouth.
Oh, it's all over my lips. My spit just burned my tongue.